This quiche Lorraine in a mug is so easy and makes a perfect snack or a quick breakfast. Start by adding your egg to a microwave-safe mug, followed by 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of cream. Mix that all together well with a small whisk or a fork, then once the egg is well beaten and combined with the milk and cream, add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose or plain flour and mix again until you have a smooth batter. From here, add a pinch or 2 each of salt and pepper, plus any additional seasonings you'd like if just salt and pepper sounds a bit too bland for your taste. Next, add sliced bacon or ham, followed by about 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. The type of cheese isn't super important, but I'd recommend something like Gruyere or sharp cheddar. And after you've mixed the cheese in, top the quiche with a few extra pieces of bacon and some sliced green onion before microwaving on high heat for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And there you have it, a tasty single-serving snack in under 5 minutes. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Also, we wrote a book. Click the link in the description to get your copy.